Look at these dents. The hail ruined our cars.
This is going to cost a fortune to fix, and the resale value, it's shot.
Honey, we can't afford the deductible right now.
Wait, I heard USA Dent Doctors will waive the deductible. Let me check their reviews. Look at this 5 stars across the board. They're the real deal.
Yes, we'd like to schedule a repair for our car. Thank you.
Don't let hail hold you back. At USA Dent Doctors, we use advanced paintless dent repair techniques to restore your car like new, quickly. Plus, we'll waive your deductible to make it even easier.
It looks perfect.
And they detailed it too? This is better than before the hail.
At USA Dent Doctors in Bryan, Texas, we're committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Call today to restore your ride.